Hey there, fellow Scout parents. I'm so excited to share this amazing tool we've created to help manage our daughter's cookie sales and contacts. You see, Girl Scouts USA decided to update or build a new app, and guess what? Our precious contacts were gone. So, we decided to create this fantastic spreadsheet. It's a lifesaver for keeping track of all our customers and potential sales. Trust me, it's a game changer for managing those cookies. We hope you find this resource as helpful as we do. Now let's begin on how to use this spreadsheet. Feel free to customize your own spreadsheet name in the top left corner. In this cell is the current cost for a box of cookies. If the cost per box ever increases in the future, you will just have to adjust this value. Since the cost is current, there's no need to change it right now. Let's review the order status check boxes. There are 3 check boxes to identify the different stages of each order. When an order is approved, the row turns red, complete turns yellow, and delivered turns green. The color help identify what stage each order is currently at. As you can see, if you mark any of the boxes out of order, the row will not display a color. This spreadsheet was designed to support around 100 customers. Unless you're familiar with formulas, I would not recommend adding more rows because it can disconnect the data results in each worksheet. Let's check out the drop-down options in the order detail column. The drop-down options are girl delivery or shipped. The next column is labeled customer. Here's where you would place your customer's name. The next set of columns are the abbreviations for the different cookie flavors. The C2S column stands for care to share. TOT stands for total. Now let's do a test run. Notice as I start placing cookie quantities in the fields, the TOT is displaying the total, and next column is displaying the total amount due for cookies. Notice that when I place the quantity in care to share, it doesn't affect the total or the cost for the cookies. Since care to share are donations, they will be handled differently. Let's continue on entering our customer info to complete this example. The order form column displays the different ways cookies are sold. Select the one that matches your cookie sale and continue to the next column. The paid-unpaid column must be selected. The drop-down options are paid online, which also means through the mobile app, or the other option is cash or checks. Remember, there is no current way for digital cookie to track cash orders. If move right on the spreadsheet, you can see your totals for the care to shares and cash amount on your sales. Note if you decide to collect the cash and process the sale using own personal cards or Venmo, you will need to change the paid, unpaid to paid online. If you decide to turn the cash into the troop, always make sure you receive a receipt when dropping off the cash. So now that we have completed filling the customer portion and payment, let's move to the next step. The checkbox for complete is the staging of collecting the cookie order. Once you have your cookies prepared to be delivered, then mark the complete checkbox. And of course, when the cookies are delivered, mark your order as delivered. At the bottom of the spreadsheet, you will see a tab titled Summary. This will provide you the stats of your Scouts care to share and cookie sales individually and combined totals. There is no need to edit this tab since it collects the data from your customer spreadsheet. Feel free to use the last tab to note how many cookies you need to order from your troop to complete any pending orders you may have. Once you get your inventory, be sure to remove your cookie count. We hope you find this resource helpful, and if you have any question, feel free to ask.